Alright, what's up everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and this fridge from Nostalgia brings back nostalgic memories for me with the polar bears from Coca-Cola. So this weighs about 49 pounds, 2.4 cubic feet of space in there to keep all of your drinks from Coca-Colas to maybe some adult beverages, champagne, wine, etc. cold. Let's take a look in here real quick. So you can see you have some LED lighting, you have removable shelf space that you can arrange to fit whatever you want in there, so you can put all the drinks you want. It can fit up to 80 cans when properly arranged. So it goes down to 32 degrees, and it also has this fun feature to make sure if you keep it outside or don't want anybody to get into your stuff, you can lock it up. Let's check it out.
Luke's wife? Hey, Luke and Luke's wife, I'm out of beer. Oh, I see it. Oh, give me a drink. Hey, Luke and Luke's wife always have good stuff. What the? Why would you lock up drinks? They're for the neighborhood. Oh, let me find something to open this thing up with. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Can't believe they keep a crowbar on the fireplace.
All right, what you doing?
Oh, Luke, man, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb y'all. I'm in your house uninvited.
You got a crowbar trying to break
I
into
know.
a nice fridge.
I just broke an entering, and I'm trespassing.
All right, it is the Christmas season, right?
Oh,
Let's have a drink together. Let's unlock this thing first.
Are you going to press charges?
Nope.
Okay, let's just have a drink first. Nice. I love neighbors like you and your wife and Luke's wife.
Hey, cheers to the nostalgia,
Nostalgia
fridge from Coca-Cola.
Beautiful piece of equipment.